first of all, for those who think that I could speak Slovenian like the water and goes, this is a very difficult language, but I try and do my best to, during the time, to improve my skills in this language. No, I've never been in Slovenian, but of course, this is a great pleasure to hear. A great country, a nice and beautiful city, and of course, what brings me here is football. And a big club, big challenge. So I'm here with all my heart and my energy and my enthusiasm to fight. That's it. So simple as it is.
Hello, Jaro Kuzmanian Sport Club. Can you give us some more insight into what was the key for your decision to come to Olympia? Okay, we know the fight for the championship. Is that the main reason?
This is a big club. This is a big club. This is the champion. We will participating in European competitions. So, not the money. It was the club. It was the possibility to fight for winning a lot of matches, and it's a big challenge to look. To be honest, when President spoke with me the first time, he shared his vision for the club, and for me it was very. I shared his vision for this club because I remember his words. It was improving year by year, step by step, and he said this 3, 4, 5 times. So I share his vision for this club, and improving and getting better year by year, fight for the possibility to become champions again in 2 good European competitions. So the enthusiasm that all the board, members of the board, share with me, I also share with them. So it was not difficult. As I said, I'm here with all my heart to do, of course, what I can do in the best that I can do.
How much do you believe that your experience abroad, you were a coach in Belgium, in the Arabic world, how much can that help you in terms of adaptation to a new country, new environment?
Of course, our experience gives us more capacity of adaptability, and I don't have any difficulty living here. I'm here about 1 week, and it's been like I've been here all my life, so it's the same. Of course, we've been studying the league, our team, the other teams, so I think it's going to be easier. At that point, it's going to be easier. It will be not a problem for sure.
Last year, Olympia did great in Conference League. One of your predecessors, also from Portugal, Enriquez, was the one who prepared the team last year for this kind of success. Now this is a task for you, big challenge.
Well, at this moment, and I believe the board also speak with you before, this is a time of little adjustments in the team. Some players are going to leave, of course, it's the usual. Some players are going to come, it's the usual. So, but I think, and we both share the same vision that this time that we are living now, it's critical time to build a team that can make our fans proud of. So we are living these moments, and we are starting our pre-season sooner because the international competition. But we are living at this moment critical times, and I shared, as I say, the vision with the board about what we are going to get from the market. The market will be open till the end of August, so we have time. But at the same time, we don't have so much time because we have to prepare the team to fight the first official match in July, from the first week of July. So that's the context right now.
What kind of football do you play? How would you describe your style of football that you will be using, the tactics?
Some years ago, when I was preparing my career, when I was more younger and more, I read somewhere, someone said, football is not a question of life or death. It's much more important than that. And for me, this is, I don't know how can I say this, but I think the same. So, most of all, winning. What do we have to do to win? And you asked me about my style, and my style is play to win. Of course, I've got main principles, main ideas, and this is what? Aggressive, energetic football. Aggressive in when we have the possession and when we don't have it. But aggressive. For me, the most important thing is that our fans, our supporters on the stands are always like this. Okay? So, but of course, this is my will. But I understand that I should work with the players. I should give the players a direction to play. But at the end of the day, it will depend on them. But my style is like this, aggressive, energetic, looking every time towards the opponent's goal.